program BA subject sociology, paper rural society and reconstruction, semester 5th, session 11, University of Mysore. Unit 1, Rural and Agrarian Social Structure. Subtitle of paper, Commodification of Land. Introduction. Land is one of the scarce natural resources on earth. It is not possible to either increase or decrease the land. Creating wealth and looking after welfare of the citizens is difficult without the economic and infrastructural development. The development at the cost of individual rights cannot be accepted as development in true sense. The individual rights need to be protected in economic development. In general, land is acquired for economic development, resulting in displacement of the people. Hence, the important thing is that large-scale displacements should be minimized to the extent possible, and if the displacement cannot be stopped, then there is a need to handle it with utmost care. Determining the value of land and the adequacy of compensation. Fixation of the amount of compensation. The inconsistency in awarding the amount of compensation is also one of the issues to be dealt with. The types of other benefits that can be given to the land, losses. Legal provisions for land acquisitions in India. 1. The constitutional framework. History of the Land Acquisitions Act 1894. Purpose and powers of the Act. Procedure for the land acquisition. Evolution in laws for land acquisition. Issue of compensation. Provisions of compensation under the Land Acquisition Act 1897. Compensation under the Karnataka Industrial Development Policy 2009-2014. This incentive will be applicable for the land transferred by KIADB, Karnataka Industrial Area Development Board, to land owners as compensations for the acquired land. The policy will also have a provision to take the land owners as partner in the project by offering certain equity to them. Need for a fair amount of compensation. Facts that lead to unjust compensation. A. Determine the accurate value is a difficult and time-consuming process because each land parcel has to be inspected and valued separately. B. When the land sales are informed or the markets are developing or do not exist, the reliable factors are difficult to be formulated for the purpose of valuing the land. C. See, it is difficult to calculate the monetary value of non-economic losses. Business opportunities, religious, cultural, and ancestral claims to the land. D. The market price of the land may shoot up at the very day of announcement of the project on the land in question. Compensation, cash or kind, cash for land. The land acquisitions law in India is based on this basic principle of compensation. One particular dimension of deprivation, it is the most narrow interpretation given to loss. Jobs as means of compensation. In the case of Ravindra Kumar V, District Magistrate, 58th Allahabad Court posed 3 questions along with the proposed solution. A. Providing for a permanent job to one member of a land losing family in addition to the monetary compensation. B. Company or the body on whose behalf the land is acquired by the government can be held bound by such an order, circular passed the government. C. Company or the body on whose behalf the land is acquired by the government can be directed by way of issuing a right petition to act according to the government order, circular. Discussion. So there is a strong need that the legal thought be put into the issues concerned with the land acquisition. The imbalances in our system can be removed. Thank you, one and all.